Hey folks, here we are and at the Seawolf Gallery, the recently being renovated Seawolf Gallery after the big arsonist fire of 2020. Yeah, here is where some of the fire came through. The logs are coming through here and burnt the roof. So we actually spent a lot of time scraping off about a ½ inch of charcoal off of all the walls and the ceiling and the beams and everything like that. But because they're 6 inches thick, they're still good, you know. Of course, we had to repaint their whole floor of the porch floor, and all the structure right there was badly burned. We had to replace all that. We had to replace the stairs here. Jude came up and helped replace the support beams for the roof off of this main beam here. They were all burned off. And Jude was here for a couple of weeks and got up there and put them into place. We still got to work on the door. The door is pretty bad shape, but you know, one thing at a time. You know, we had to scrape quite a bit up around in the front part of the building too, and then repainted the whole ceiling with this nice russet brown color, and it looks really good. That took a bit of doing. We did put in some electric wiring onto the middle for some lights. Then we had to actually disc sand the whole interior walls. You can see that one looks more like what it was, although we put a cedar stain on it. And, you can still see parts where the pieces were burned up at the top there. Then we had to do about 2 or 3 coats of staining on these walls here, because it started off with a stain that I made, and it turned out to be kind of like a, you know, we call it a pink salmon color. And it was just a little bit too pink, so we put the cedar stain on top of that, and it came out looking, you know, fairly good. Now, just recently, we're starting to paint the floor this red carpet color. But we have to do that in sections because, well, you have to get it to dry and walk and put things on it. But anyway, things are progressing nicely. Winter is almost here, but we still got to do the windows. We're getting glass for the windows. We painted them fire engine red. We need new windows coming for the front windows. We repainted the piece here. Of course, we lost the glass in the top part, but all is not lost. We're recovering. And thank you so much for all your help.
Is that stud muffin?
Never seen it before.